You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Bonjour, we are looking at how to pronounce these names, and we'll be looking at how to say more confusing names of famous artists, including French artists, but not only. Anyhow, Jean-François, Jean-François. So the J in French is pronounced je, not J. So it's not Jean, but Jean. And then François, the C there is pronounced like an S because it's got this little symbol below it indicating it's a soft C. Jean-François Millet, Millet. So the double I-double-L here is like a Y, Millet. And the T is silent. Jean-François Millet, I know, it's French, there's loads of circumvolutions for the pronunciation, but Jean-François Millet, you could say it in English, Jean-François Millet, or in French, Jean-François Millet. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful, appreciate the support, more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. See you there, thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful, I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.